Okay, weekly market update. Yeah, we are basically in a range since May. I'm doing the NASDAQ now because I think that's going to be the leading index. Um, yeah, so first of all, there is this gap open. We have a top here, then we have a strong breakout, and we didn't even come close testing this top. And yeah, usually when you're getting later in a trend, um, so I started here in 2019. We had these tops. You have the breakout, you come back, right? This is the COVID dip, so we went a lot deeper. But here, because you are late in the trend, it was likely we are at least gonna come back to around this zone. It doesn't have to be a precise test, but at least you have to come close. So then here, basically, we start making new highs, a lot of new highs, and then we come back and well, we didn't hit the previous top, but we did come close. This is like 80-90% was completed, and in trading, close is close enough. So yeah, here it is acceptable. Then here we have a top. We are going to break out, and we come back, right? We basically test this top basically to the tip, to the tick, right? Very close. Then here we have a new high again. We start breaking out, and yeah, we come back, and okay, we didn't hit this line, but yeah, it was a test, right? And a test means we may hit it, we may not hit it, we may go further. 80-90% we retraced, right? Just a small little 10-20% was left. So I think it was already a very unlikely event, because usually if you study any market, any time frame, it's going to get a little deeper. But yeah, the market accepted this as close enough. So yeah, so that's why I am pretty confident that we are going to at least test this line, and that may be a little above, or we may go a lot lower, but this is not enough, right? So even if, for example, the bulls manage to hold this up, and for example we make a new high, then I still think it's going to roll over and fill the gap. So either we're going to go straight down, or we're going to go a bit choppy and then down. I have no idea how this is going to play out, but I am very confident that that this is not enough. This double bottom is not going to hold. It's going to fail early or late. Um, but yeah, in trends, if you study history, once a trend gets older and starts getting back to previous tops, then it's usually going to continue doing that. And yeah, you can check back any 5-minute time frame, a 1-minute time frame, a monthly time frame, a crypto, a commodity, any stock. It's just how it usually works. And yeah, not all the time. You can always find some exceptions, but I think like 70% probability that we are going to see this. Let's make it an orange line. We're gonna come at some point back to this zone. So I remain short, focused until this line is at least, until we can at least get close. We get close to this line, and yeah, from there we'll see what happens. We could see a very large crash. It can also go sideways and then curl back up again. It will also depend on headlines, on macroeconomics. It will depend on many things, but for now, the odds strongly favor that this thing is gonna go lower. Even if we make a new high first, we probably still gonna test this line. Okay, so let me know if you agree or not. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.